These are the headlines for today evening. Bitcoin falls below $17,000 amid rate hike concerns. Binance generates 90% of revenue from transaction fees, CZ says. Grayscale faces lawsuit as GBTC plunges to record low 43% discount. Decentraland launches virtual property renting for landowners. US lawmakers want State Department to disclose crypto rewards. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets were trading sideways on Wednesday with mild cuts as investors worry recent spate of macroeconomic data may force Fed to hike rates at a faster pace. The earlier expectation of moderation of interest rate hikes is already priced in. That has caused risk aversion back on the table. Bitcoin dropped marginally but held the $17,000 mark and Ethereum was steady above the $1,250 mark. Investors continue to weigh economic indicators suggesting the US Central Bank still expected to increase the interest rate, analysts believe. And now let's see how the global crypto market is performing today. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.5% at 25,130 points. Last week's jobs report and this week's ISM non-manufacturing PMI showed strength in the labor market and the US economy. With wage growth accelerating and inflation falling modestly, the weak ISM manufacturing PMI may not be enough to prevent another bullish rate hike just a week away. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading lower around $840 billion with 1.3% change in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume jumped more than 10% to $39 billion. Now, despite investors' nervousness about industry contagion linked to crypto exchange FTX's implosion and other crises, BTC's share of the total crypto market has held steady at around 40%, countering its history of rising sharply during stressful times. Observers said the stagnant dominance rate reflects an exodus of investors from the market, among other factors. US stock futures were trading flat after major benchmark averages extended declines during regular hours as prospects of higher interest rates and weakening economic data sapped risk appetite. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were down 20 points or 0.06%, while S&P 500 futures were 0.06% lower and Nasdaq 100 futures were down 0.07%. Bitcoin was trading at $16,825, down 1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2%, trading at $1,230. On my left, BNB was down 1.5% to trade at $284. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was down by 2.2% to trade at $0.88. Polygon, one of the foremost blockchains in the smart contract and decentralized finance space, has joined hands with platform builder LGND and Warner Music Group in a multi-layer partnership to develop the first of its kind music platform. Warner Group further stated that LGND Music will finally launch in January 2023. The platform will be built on Polygon network to ensure a seamless experience for users, offering lower gas fees and faster transactions in an open, permissionless and sustainable environment. So Solana Sol was down 2.2% and was trading at $13. Cardano's ADA token was down by 2% to trade at $0.31. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 4% at $0.096. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.2%. And next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13, lower 2.3%. Next on the list, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.38, down by 1%. And last on the list, Polkadot was down by 2.5% to trade at $5. And now back to the headlines. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance generates 90% of its revenue from transaction fees, CEO CZ said in a recent TechCrunch interview posted on YouTube. He added that Binance had removed all ads from data site CoinMarketCap, which it acquired in 2020 to make for a cleaner experience. We can turn that back on. That will give us $40 million a year, but we don't need to today, CZ said. Binance's revenue is estimated to be around $20 billion in 2021, according to a Bloomberg analysis. New York-based hedge fund FIR3 Capital Management has filed a lawsuit against digital asset manager Grayscale Investments over potential mismanagement and conflicts of interest at the firm's flagship Bitcoin fund. The news came as Grayscale Bitcoin Trust's discount plunged to a record low discount of more than 43% from the underlying Bitcoin value on Tuesday, with FIR3 alleging that this is partly the result of Grayscale issuing an immense number between 2018 and 2021 without providing investors means of exiting their positions aside from selling shares to other investors. Historically, GBTC has traded at a lofty premium, but things changed in February last year, with the trust's shares gradually declining a 40% discount last month. According to FIR3, Grayscale's redemption bar, which was introduced in 2014, is self-imposed. The hedge fund also alleges there is no legal reason to stop GBTC investors from converting their positions into fiat as long as the trust complies with security law. In its complaint, FIR3, which manages $3 billion, said that around 850,000 retail investors had been harmed by Grayscale's shareholder unfriendly actions. The Metaverse platform Decentraland announced a new platform feature which allows its users who own virtual land to essentially become landlords. Owners can now officially rent out their property to other users on the platform for predefined periods of time. This allows users to earn passive income off of their metaverse assets. Decentraland classifies landowners as accounts or wallet addresses which own the smart contract for land, whether it be a parcel, an estate, or both. All land rentals are performed in Mana, the native token of Decentraland, and paid upfront in total. The platform gave examples of digital universities renting out land to build campuses or DJs renting space for a club or party. Similar to most rental contracts of physical properties, Decentraland landlords cannot sell the land, nor can they receive any purchasing bids for purchase until after the rental contract period is over. Decentraland follows on Twitter suggested the same rental service should also be available for wearables. Overall, the community response was positive. And now let's get an update on the three buzzing stocks of the day. AXS, the native governance token of Axie Infinity, increased from $6.80 to a daily high of $8.51. The price increase of 25% was caused by the launch of the Axie Contributors pilot season, which is part of an initiative announced by the Axie Infinity team in March 2022 to increase the decentralized aspect of the ecosystem through community governance of the Axie Infinity treasury. Each Season 0 contributor will soon receive an acceptance letter, a Discord role, and access to the Axie Infinity Discord's newly created governance section, the team wrote on its Substack. The pilot season has attracted nearly 700 participants, known as Lunicians. AXS was trading at 30% up in the past 7 days. AXS is trading at $8.96, up by 2.36% in the past 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $9 million. ApeCoin, the Ethereum-based token created for the Bored Ape Yacht Club ecosystem, has seen a significant price bump in recent weeks ahead of the staking launch. ApeCoin staking rewards are just around the corner, set to begin emitting on December 12, and the official staking contract has already taken in nearly $32 million worth of Ape in one day, along with a wealth of Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape NFTs. More than 7.6 million Ape have been deposited into the contract till date, along with a number of NFTs. That price has been ticking up since Horizon Labs launched the official staking contract on 5th of December. ApeCoin is trading at $4.07, up by 2.77% in the past 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Polygon, one of the foremost blockchains in the smart contract and decentralized finance space, has joined hands with platform builder LGND.io and Warner Music Group in a multi-year partnership to develop the first of its kind music platform. Warner Group further stated that LGND Music will finally launch in January 2023. The platform will be built on Polygon network to ensure a seamless experience for users, offering lower gas fees and faster transactions in an open, permissionless and sustainable environment. Warner Music Group was formed in partnership with LGND.io, an e-commerce and interactive platform builder. This platform will help Polygon with the blockchain needs to run on the network. This announcement came at a time when Polygon's NFT sales plunged to a 17-month low in the month of November, with the sales figure of $414 million, which was last observed in the month of June 2021. Polygon was trading at $0.9054, down by 0.51%, with a market capitalization of $7 billion. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.